Hello, good morning. This is Shark for the equity check. Uh, Looking at valuable one here, we got the daily chart and couple of indicators. Uh, the standard indicators, what we have with standard settings. It's pointing up here, and then there is some kind of activity taking place, some kind of interest coming up around here. See, it's all good for the stock. Right now, let's have a look at the recent price action here. So many sketches which I have done. There is this support around 25 coming up, and we witnessed in November last year a high of around 28. So this is our high point. Now already we have one more just coming around 26.50. So this break, the current leg, of course we'll come to that later on, but just to touch on it, that it's almost at the brink of a significant high to break the 8 January high of around 26.50. So probably in coming days we might witness retesting the highs of it's already tested actually, but not able to be successful and closing above 26.50. So we're seeing a slight retracement after retesting 26.60 or 70 and coming to around 26 and now closing around 26.20. So yesterday was we saw it. Now coming to the recent action here, we established something like this 27, and you will see with the zigzag move here we established something like a 22 and then came down, and I would like to draw something else as well. Let us draw another trend line here just to know where the breakouts are coming. Okay, let me draw a bit here from here, and so this was it, something like this. Okay, now what we saw was that the price moved around 27, 28, came for a pullback 22, and had been trading in this trend channel here. Let me draw the other. In this fashion. Okay, now it has been moving similar fashion, and then we saw a breakout taking place around 22. Now this is further confirmed on from this breakout around 22 from this daily candle. Okay, this is a very bullish candle, so it's very significant to look at the candle, the type of candle that appears on a significant breakout. See, this is a bullish hammer and it shows the reversal. So based on this daily candle, we establish a resistance point around 25. Now what you see here is the next channel, and we are about we broke here the support earlier, and then we have re-established another support around 25.50. So what we see here now is the second the trend reversal. Okay, now first the bearish trend channel is what you're seeing here, which I'm highlighting it for you, and it was trading within this, okay, parameters within this trend channel, and the breakout occurred, and the candle, the daily candle, indicated the breakout and the reversal, and we got into a new bullish channel here, which is from here to here and to this high, and from that high to another lower, a higher low. Okay, so this is the low point, and we establish a higher high, and then a higher low, and then we are about to break out, probably today or maybe by next week, while having a very good support around 25. Now, with all the volatility, we have to be very careful. We might or might not see a break below 25, 50 or 25. Now, what we could see is that it cannot go, technically it cannot go below this. This last leg we should see up at least towards 28 or towards the 30, and then we have 28 support, and we should have at least 26.50 support. That is not to breach the support around 25. Even the current trend, we in order to be sure, and this trend to be intact, we need this support not broken. Okay, so it's very, very imperative that we move, or the price action move, or the price action establishes a new support base. Now, for that, the current leg should shoot towards at least 30, so that it can have a support of around 28, the new support, and a throwback around 30 to 28. That would confirm the cup formation. Okay, that would form the cup formation, which should give us a target around 28 to 20, which is a difference of around 8 rupees. That should bring 36.35 in line. So this is how I see on valuable one, and the current trend. I can do it a bit here to be very clear. This is the current. This was the bearish trend channel, broke out with this candle, and then re-establish another pattern, price action within this. Now, the support was broken with this bullish candle, then back again we closed below. So there was this thing taking place, kind of a consolidation, and what we could see is a 25.80 and a 24.70, 1 rupee target of around 26.70 was target was created here with this small consolidation pattern. So there is some kind of uncertainty of yesterday was an exceptional profit take, but price was not there wasn't a bigger move owing to yesterday's sell-off. So we could witness from time to time such cases owing to the election, but this current leg need to move up, breaking 28. We might see some kind of a resistance coming around 28 and re-establish the support around 26.70, and further up move around 30 could give us a throwback to around 28, technically indicating further uptrend based on the cup formation here. So I would recommend Vone to have a long-term target of around 35-36, and later on to watch out for any further technical pattern, and to thereon to continue holding this. So traders, short-term investors could target around 28 and further buy around 26, then take 30 and sell off towards 28 and buy around 28 for a next target of around 35-36. So you get 3 opportunities. Now these are speculations, so but technical profit target should be 28, 30 and 36, 35. So those the targets for valuable one. I hope it's very clear. So took a bit of time to explain how the trend reversed and then re-establish a new uptrend, and we are at a brink of around the breakout around 26 towards 28, and probably we might witness a slight sell towards 26.50 hopefully, and that support stays in line, which is our main trend support on the bullish trend, towards a target of around 30, the price appreciation back with very good earnings, and to break the barriers around 30 towards 35. Now just to show you one more thing before I go, let me show you the full history here. Now it's much better to show from here to see where this 35 target is derived at. Okay, yeah, so this is where I see it. Let me be a little, but I'm not able to show the full thing. Hang on a second, let me see it. There should be something here. Oops, what's happening here? Oops, why is that? Okay, probably around here we have 30. So this is the resistance point which you are seeing here. Have a look at the history and how it comes as the support that was having here around 27.80. Look at this here and here, and we need this to break out, and once this is broken we might re-establish the highs of 28, and this will come as a support. So there's great potential with the share. Hopefully, if we can see through our targets towards 28, 30 and 36, that will give a very decent capital gain for all of us. And until we see our members with another video, this is Shark for the Equity Check.